Hey Ruby, what's going on? Purpose of this video is something that I need you to do. So basically, we talked about the portals document and how we're gonna start game. Pyro, shut the fuck up. Shut up. Shut up. We're gonna start going through. Go in your cage. Go. I can't even record the video. Go in your cage. Cage. Go in your cage. We're gonna start doing gamifying like your tasks. So what I need you to do is give me some input about what I've had you do or what I've assigned to you, but I need it written down. So let me give you an example. In the daily leads protocol, input response schedule, this is what I've taught you to do first. I gave you an order of things that I need done and how I need it done. So from here, performing missed appointments, text magic for cancellations, reschedules, inputting leads, E-Town, Clarksville, so on and so forth. So, as we got this going, this is the kind of layout that I was looking for. And one of the things that I asked you to do is, let me know if this process was efficient or not efficient. So, for example, should you be inputting leads in E-Town, then Clarksville? Or should you be doing, like, inputting leads in E-Town, then doing calls, E-Town, then Berry Treasure, E-Town, FEOs, E-Town, like all of those processes. So, basically, I haven't had any input, so I think you're fine with the structure. I want to put this in here. And at the end of your shift, I literally just copied this over here. And at the end of your shift, under your daily, you're going to, you put a 1 there. You did the perform appointment check. You did text messages, reschedules. And again, this one's very important, Ruby. You clock in at 12 noon, and then the text magic reminder goes out at 8. That's a 4-hour window. If I got somebody at 6 p.m. and you check in at noon and they need to reschedule, you could probably reschedule them same day, which will ensure a successful success session, right? Inputting leads, E-Town, inputting leads, Clarksville, performing leads, E-Town, performing leads, Clarksville, E-Town, E-Town. There you go. Actually got to switch that around. But yeah, basically I'm looking for a 1. Every day when you start your shift, until you kind of tell me something differently or agree differently or we just come to a better conclusion, I want things done in this exact order. And again, I'm not a boss or anything. I'm completely cool with you being subjective in terms of like what's needed. But ones, I'm looking for ones all the way through here. So it takes about 10 tasks, and I'll get the measurables laid out later. 10 tasks for you to complete that done. Every day, I'm looking for ones all across the board. Now, here's Ruby where I need your help. I need to know how long these tasks take. I made an edit to Marshall's doing a timer block. Like Nick, for his daily, has a kind of a set schedule. And we kind of added up his stuff. I want to know how long these pieces are taking, Ruby. I know sometimes you say things are dry, there's not enough leads coming in, or there's too many, or whatever. Go through here. How long does it take you to check text magic? Is it 30 minutes? Is it 20 minutes? You know what I'm saying? Inputting leads into E-Town, what is that, 10 minutes? What is the average that it takes for you to do those tasks? And then the last thing, so I want you to input the time needed. You would know better than I would. And if you don't know, just give me a roundabout guesstimate and we can kind of track it. After that, Ruby, I need you to give me your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I want you to give me the different pieces that I have you do throughout the week. So again, this is daily, right? But like specifically on Thursday, I have you running the financials for each location so I can do my check in the FR. Thursday, you're knocking that out, and then you're knocking out the KPI for the South location. You're giving me 2 separate numbers. You're giving me my pipeline report. So Thursday is specific to that day. Now there is a monthly thing that we have in here, and I haven't set this up yet. So Nick has a programming monthly task. One of your tasks is to, Pyro, hold on. One of your tasks is to do Wodify programming, inputting the programming into Wodify. So again, all I need you to do is kind of, and if you don't know how to use this, we can talk about it, but like, give me the time that's needed to perform your tasks. Give me some rebuttals into different processes that you've changed. And then at the same time, just email me anything that I've had you do that's not DDV'd. SOP is standard operating procedure. We got most of these down. FEO, the client experience, is actually my IO. It's issue opportunity. It's a thing that I'm trying to do to make sure that the FEOs and the CEOs are getting what they need in terms of like the client experience. So this needs a standardized procedure. I don't really have that as tight as I want it, but this is what I'm looking for, Ruby. And just chime in to me today. But again, just put anything in here that you do that I've even forgotten about or just delegated over. Thank you.